Bringing out for Efranz. I got one 2015 Panini Select Soccer Hobby Box. Let's get a big pull out of here. Let's get a Messi or a Ronaldo or a Neymar. Let's get something big. Factory sealed box. Good luck, man. Thanks for the order. Also, thanks for filling up the mixer break, bud. I appreciate that. I saw you bought a few spots in that. I've pulled a 101 out of here before. I can't remember who it was. Somebody from Poland. Starting off, Claudio Pizarro, Claudio Bravo, 142 of 299. Guillermo Ochoa and Miguel Leon, Ochoa and Leon, out of 299. Papadopoulos and Cochran. Neymar. Buffon for Italy. Podolski for Germany. And Komrov. I think that's for Russia. See some big autos out of here. Kobrov, Tim Howard, Liechtensteiner, 33 of 149. Higuain and Schär. Carzinas, Suarez, Ospina, 8 of 10. David Ospina, 8 of 10. Farfan and Snyder. Spacek. Robert Lewandowski for Poland, 197 of 199. Decoy. James Rodriguez, 136 of 299. Bradley and Paul Pogba, 2 midfielders right there. Thomas Mueller, Raheem Sterling, Memphis Depay, 144 of 149. Jersey swatch for the Netherlands, 144 of 199. De Vrij, Guardado. Willen, Tadic, Daily Blind, 110 of 199. Milik and Silva. Schweinsteiger, Rui Patricio, Decoy. Wayne Rooney right there. Parallel. Out of 249, 104, 249, Wayne Rooney. Falco and Rakitic. Should be getting an auto, maybe a patch auto. Giroud, Yaya Toure. Neymar, purple parallel ultimate team, 5 of 99. Neymar, 5 of 99. Modric and Di Maria. Pretty nice box so far. Haven't got our auto yet. Cavani, Buffon, Pirlo, purple parallel, out of 199. Javier Hernandez, Pizik. This one feels fat. I think we're going to get our hit out of here. Vertonghen, Zuniga, Decoy, Falco, 146 of 149. Liechtensteiner and Nani. Last pack. Had to make you wait. Fabregas, Charway, 147 of 185. Ander Herrera. Auto right there. Ander Herrera. Desgoff and Josie Altidore. That is going to do it. Thanks for the order. Really appreciate it, man. I'll have this packed up and shipped out for you. Thanks for the order.